Hello everyone. I am Maria. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know what this is. So, it seems that this is an original song, but my friend thinks that it's a cover, but I'm like, a cover of who? And she doesn't know, and I'm like, okay. But it's Soobin of TXT. Apparently has a song Choeuri. I don't know. We're gonna react to it though. So without any further ado, let's go. Okay.
난 저기 숲이 돼볼게 너는 자그맣기 많은 언덕 위를
Where's my light stick? I don't have one.
오르며 날 바라볼래 나의 작은 마음만 구석이어도 돼
Oh, so beautiful.
길을 더 보일게 나를 베려도 돼 날 지나치지만 날 보아줘 나는 널 들을게 이젠 말해도 돼
He's texting me, guys. Oh, don't cry.
숲이 아닌 바다이던가 옆에 높은 나무가
He's so beautiful. You know, that's not the point. I'm sorry.
하나라도 분명히 하고파
The glasses.
물에 가라앉으려나
Those are just frames, boy. We see you. We see you. You need some gentle monster glasses. Not sponsored. Please sponsor me. Gentle monster glasses. God, I want gentle monster glasses.
난 저기 숲이 돼볼래 나의 옷이 다 눈물에 젖는데도
Made me want to cry. Oh my god.
바다라고 했던가 그럼 내 눈물 모두 버릴 수 있나 길을 더 보일게 나를 베려도 돼 날 밀어내지마 날 내게 둬 나는 내가 보여 난 항상 나를 봐
Why is he wearing shoes on the beach? White shoes. No, baby, no. Honey boo boo.
피어난 바다이던가 옆에 높은 나무가 있길래
Ah, he's so pretty. Ah, don't look at me like that. Anyway. What's up with these home video style music videos recently? This IU. Not complaining. Oh, he has such a pretty smile. Love Soobin. Well, that was beautiful. Oh. Oh. Wow. What did we think of that children? Well, he clearly looked beautiful, and him smiling at the camera got me kikiing, but that's besides the point. That was lovely. are they all gonna get their own individual songs? Because Soobin is not my bias or bias wrecker, but at the same time, I love every single one of them, so it's kind of hard to pick. But if I had to pick, you know what I'm saying, Yeonjun and Hyun Kai. So I would love to hear like all of them. Oh, and Bomgyu, Taehyun, with like their individual songs, but this totally fit Subin's vibe. Like I don't know how to explain it, but this is just to me this is Subin. Um, it was very sad though, but it's okay. That's okay. Um, I I need to have a word with Soobin because why was he wearing white shoes on the beach and on like the wet bit, which means you're close to the water. So at any second you could get hit by the water and bada bing bada boom. You're anyway. So Soobin, no shoes, especially white shoes, on the beach, babe. Like, what are you doing, broski? But other than that, I love this. But yeah, well, thank you for watching. Um, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave in the comments some recommendations for me or things that you would like me to react to. And I will talk to you guys and see you guys in the next one. So let's go. Bye.